Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to fix camera black screen error in Windows 10. So let's get started. So to fix this, first go to search and type in camera settings and open camera privacy settings. Now just click on change and make sure this is on. Now scroll down a bit and check if the camera app has the access to camera or not. If still it doesn't work, let's move to the next step. Just go to search and search for camera. Right click on it and click on app settings. Now just scroll down a bit and click on reset and click on reset again. Okay, now once this is done, you can check your camera again. If it is working, then it's fine. If not, then you should proceed with the next step. So after this, what you'll have to do is just go to search again and click on device manager and open the device manager. Now here you will have to go to camera, then right click on the camera and click on properties, then go to driver, then click on disable device, click on yes. Now once it is disabled, just click on enable device again, and now you can check if the camera is working or not. If still it is not working, then what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Now it will be removed from this menu. So what we'll have to do is just click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now it is back and the drivers have been installed. So now you can check if the camera is working or not. If it is still not working, then just right click on it and click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. Now if it says best drivers for your device are already installed, you'll have to manually go to the manufacturer website and download the drivers. Just go to Google and just type in your brand name, let's say Lenovo, then the model of the laptop that you are using. So I'm using X220, so I'll put in that and then I'll just type in camera driver for Windows 10. So just go to the first link and here we can get the camera driver for this device. So you can just download this and click on the installer and proceed with the default settings and check if the camera is working or not. Now even after doing this, the camera doesn't work, then we'll have to troubleshoot the camera app. So just close everything and just go to search and just type in troubleshoot settings. Just open the troubleshoot settings, then click on additional troubleshooters. Now scroll down a bit and at the end you'll find Windows Store apps. Just click on that and click on run troubleshooter. Now click on next. Now even after doing this, if the problem doesn't get fixed, then make sure your camera is not disabled by a shortcut key in your keyboard. So for checking that, you can check your keyboard and see if there is a camera icon on your keyboard. Now if you see a camera icon in your keyboard, just press function key, that is FN key, and that key where the camera icon is there. Or if you don't have a FN key, just press the camera button, so that will unlock the camera. So try that, and if that also doesn't work, then you'll have to get your camera fixed by a local technician. So that was all, and I hope that this video helped you fix your camera. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.